You're getting some bonus coverage now. This door had a door bumper that was all nasty and stuff, so I decided to put a new one on there. And I like the ones with the heavy spring on there so that they're not going to bend. You might have just a stiff one and it might be bent over, or they break off, or a thin one. The same thinness as this all the way. I like the thicker ones, and this, you just unscrew it. And see, the body of it comes off. See, like that? And so that's where you're going to reattach it right there. So it just has a backing plate, and you screw the backing plate on there, okay, with the screw that comes with it. Then you put that, and it's got the little hole in there. And you just put that up in there, twist that on there, like that, and you're done. That only costs, what, less than $2.50. Nice little upgrade. It just finishes off your door. They have those in different colors, and I decided to go with the dull chrome color because we got dull chrome here, we got dull chrome hinges up here on the door, and we also have chrome towel ring here. The sink faucet is that color, the toilet paper is that color, the knobs are that color, the towel bars are that color. You see where I'm going with that? So if you have, you know, some nasty black one there, or an oil rub bronze one, or a white one, you know, that's been painted or something, change it out. It only takes a few minutes.